Ever pondered the health benefits packed into that small, delicious crustacean known as crayfish? Today we're diving into the nutritious world of crayfish and exploring why this creature is not just a tasty treat, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. Firstly, crayfish are a fantastic source of high-quality protein. Protein, as we know, is vital for building and repairing tissues in our bodies. A generous serving of crayfish can provide the body with a significant portion of its daily protein requirement. Secondly, they are rich in important vitamins and minerals. Crayfish are a good source of vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve function and the production of DNA and red blood cells. They also contain a good amount of zinc, a mineral that boosts our immune system and helps with wound healing. Thirdly, crayfish are low in fat, making them an excellent choice for those conscious of their dietary intake. They provide the satisfying experience of a meaty meal without the high fat content usually associated with meats. Fourthly, they are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their heart health benefits. They can reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Lastly, crayfish contain astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that can protect against cell damage and boost your immune system. Astaxanthin also has been linked to improved skin health and a reduction in the signs of aging. To recap, crayfish are an excellent source of high-quality protein, packed with essential vitamins and minerals, low in fat, rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, and contain the powerful antioxidant astaxanthin. So the next time you enjoy a plate of crayfish, remember you're not just indulging in a delicious meal, you're also nourishing your body with a host of health benefits. Who knew that such a small creature could pack such a powerful nutritional punch? It's time to appreciate crayfish for more than just their taste. They're a bona fide superfood from the sea, serving up not only a tasty experience, but also a multitude of health benefits. So, go ahead and enjoy your crayfish. Your body will thank you.